All right, let's cut the crap. Today, we're looking at the best snowblowers recommended by repair shops. These are the machines that actually survive real winters, chew through heavy snow, and start without drama and freezing temps. None of the tiny, gimmicky blowers or budget knockoffs you see on those top 5 lists online. We're talking trusted names like Honda, Toro, Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, and Ariens, the ones pros actually fix and recommend every winter. We've got 5 solid options. Number 5, Honda HSS 928, the reliable tank that just won't quit. All right, let's start with the obvious beast, the Honda HSS 928, priced between $2,500 and $3,000. Yeah, that price tag is enough to make you blink twice, maybe even spit out your coffee. But hear me out. This isn't just a snowblower. This is basically a tank for your driveway. Repair shops love it, and not for marketing reasons. They see these machines survive decade after decade of abuse. I'm talking engines that fire up on the coldest, iciest mornings without a single complaint and chew through wet, heavy snow that would make most blowers give up mid-pass. The GX390 Honda engine, 389cc, is legendary for a reason. You don't waste precious time yanking cords or crossing your fingers hoping it'll start. You turn the key or pull the cord, and it fires instantly. Sub-zero temps, ice-packed snow, and giant drifts doesn't matter. It just works. And then there's the 28-inch clearing width and the ability to throw snow up to 45 feet. That's basically half a football field of snow gone in minutes. The dual-stage auger ensures dense snow gets shredded and thrown efficiently instead of jamming mid-driveway. The hydrostatic drive is a feature repair shops especially nod at. Forget jerky movements, hunting for gears, or stalling every 5 seconds. Push forward, it moves. Pull back, it stops. Smooth, predictable, and incredibly forgiving. If your driveway has ice, slopes, or rough patches, the tracked version is a literal game changer. Wheeled machines slip and spin like they're auditioning for a slapstick comedy. This one grips like it's glued to the ground, giving you confidence instead of frustration. Other practical details: it has LED headlights for dark mornings, reinforced skid shoes to protect surfaces, and a 2.6-gallon fuel tank so you can clear long driveways without constant refilling. Downsides? Sure, it's heavy, expensive, and finding storage space can be a nightmare. But think of it this way. When everyone else's blower fails halfway down the driveway, the Honda HSS 928 is still going strong, throwing snow like it's nothing. This isn't just buying a snowblower. This is buying peace of mind for winters that actually bite.
Number 4, Cub Cadet 2X 30-inch Max, the wide driveway time saver. Next up, the Cub Cadet 2X 30-inch Max, priced $1,400 to $1,700. This one's big, heavy, and feels like wrestling a small tank, but that's exactly why it's on this list. If you've got a wide driveway or you just hate the repetitive torture of making 100 passes with a small blower, this machine is going to save you serious time and frustration. The 30-inch clearing width means fewer passes and less total effort, and the dual-stage auger system handles everything from light powder to wet, heavy snow without choking. Power comes from a 385cc OHV engine, which is strong enough to power through dense snow without coughing or stalling. The throw distance is up to 40 feet, which is impressive for a mid-range blower, letting you keep snow out of walkways and side yards without extra passes. What really makes it manageable, though, is the power steering. For a machine this size, that's huge. You can maneuver it around corners or tight spots without feeling like you're wrestling a wild animal. There are also thoughtful features for cold mornings, heated grips to keep your hands from freezing, and LED headlights so early mornings or late evenings aren't a hazard. It has 2 forward speeds plus 1 reverse, letting you adjust the pace depending on snow density. Repair shops call this a solid performer with very few headaches. They like it because the design is simple, the engine is reliable, and it's built for regular use without constantly visiting the shop. Of course, it's not perfect. It's heavy, making it a storage challenge. It doesn't have the legendary longevity of a Honda GX engine, and it's not designed for crazy steep or icy driveways. But if you care about performance, durability, and getting wide driveways cleared efficiently, the Cub Cadet 2X 30-inch Max is a seriously dependable choice. It's not flashy, it doesn't scream luxury, but it does its job every single time, without drama, without fail.
At number 3, now we get to the Toro Power Max 828 OAE, priced $900 to $1,200. This is where value meets reliability, and why repair shops keep recommending it. It's built to survive the kind of wet, heavy snow that kills cheaper machines. The 252cc Toro OHV engine starts without fuss in cold weather and keeps running reliably throughout a long driveway clearing session. Clearing width is 28 inches, and it throws snow up to 40 feet, which is more than enough for standard driveways and sidewalks. It's a 2-stage snowblower with smart speed self-propelled system, meaning you control how fast it moves without struggling to keep pace or overexerting yourself. The PowerMax anti-clogging system is brilliant. It controls snow flow into the auger so you're not constantly stopping to clear jams, which is honestly the worst part about cheap blowers. Extra features include LED headlights, optional heated grips, and multiple forward and reverse speeds, which makes maneuvering even a large machine feel easy. It's forgiving enough for beginners, sturdy enough for pros, and rare for a snowblower at this price to come back with catastrophic failures. Downsides? No tracks, so icy or steep driveways can be tricky. Very large snow piles might take extra passes. But if you want predictable performance, durability, and a machine that actually survives a tough winter, the Toro Power Max 828 OAE is one of the most repair shop-approved options out there. It won't leave you yelling at your driveway mid-storm. It just gets the job done. Coming in at number 2 is the Ariens Deluxe 28 SHO, priced around $1,700 to $2,000. If you've ever cursed at snow that's wet, dense, or packed like concrete, this is the blower that can save your sanity. The Kohler 277cc OHV engine is pure workhorse material. It starts reliably in freezing temperatures, runs smoothly, and has enough torque to chew through heavy snow without stalling. This isn't one of those machines where a few inches of wet snow can jam everything up. It's designed to actually handle serious winter conditions. The 28-inch clearing width and dual-stage system mean fewer passes on most driveways, while the throw distance of up to 40 feet keeps snow off sidewalks and roads. Steering is manageable thanks to auto-turn steering, which makes the blower feel lighter than its actual weight. And speaking of weight, this machine is solid, but it's balanced enough that even a beginner can handle it without feeling like they're dragging a sled full of bricks. What really separates this Ariens model is the auto-turn steering system combined with the friction disc drive. Push it lightly to turn, it glides. Push harder, it powers through. Add heated hand grips and a bright LED headlight for early morning or late night clearing, and you've got a snowblower that feels almost luxurious, but still rugged. Repair shops appreciate it because it's easy to maintain, has a proven engine, and doesn't mysteriously fail when snow is heaviest. Downsides? It's heavy, yes, and storage can be tricky. Tracks aren't standard, so icy driveways need extra care. And compared to Honda or Toro, it's not as idiot-proof when it comes to starting on negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit mornings, but once it's running, it runs like a tank. If your driveway sees serious storms, deep snow, or a lot of wet snow, the Ariens Deluxe 28 SHO is one of the most reliable options short of dropping Honda-level cash. Finally, the crown jewel, the Honda HSS 1332, priced at $3,500 to $4,000. This is the machine that makes repair shops nod and other snowblowers feel like toys. The GX 630 V-twin engine, 688cc, is pure power. You could clear a driveway, a sidewalk, and probably your neighbor's driveway in one pass if you wanted. It starts instantly, no cord wrestling, no praying it'll fire up. Coldest morning of the year? No problem. Wettest, densest snow you can imagine? Chewed up and gone. The 32-inch clearing width and 50-foot throw distance are ridiculous in a good way. This is a true dual-stage blower with reinforced augers, adjustable skid shoes, and a hydrostatic drive so smooth it almost feels like cheating. Want to stop, turn, reverse? Just push or pull. No jerks, no stalls, no guessing gears. The tracked version is optional, but highly recommended if your driveway is icy, sloped, or just plain treacherous. Wheeled machines slip and spin. This one grips like it's glued. Extras include LED headlights, heated grips, a large 3-gallon fuel tank, and easy maintenance access panels so you can do small repairs or maintenance without a full mechanic visit. Downsides? Storage space is a nightmare, and the price is high enough to make most people gasp. But for sheer reliability, longevity, and this will never leave me stranded confidence, there's nothing else that even comes close. When everyone else's blower dies mid-driveway, the Honda HSS 1332 is still pushing snow like it's nothing. If you care about reliability, durability, performance, and the kind of peace of mind that makes winter storms almost bearable, this is the ultimate investment. It's not cheap, but when you consider what you're actually paying for, a machine that will survive decades and handle any winter, this is the snowblower everyone else wishes they had. Key takeaway? Repair shops don't recommend machines based on flashy marketing. They recommend machines that survive real winters without constant repairs. These 5, they earn their spots every single year. If you want, I can also rewrite the full video script with smooth, informal transitions between each product so it reads naturally like a YouTube video for credibility and flow. That way, it's ready to record.